Tiana and I'm a volunteer worshiper here at Kitty Chimes School, and I'm here with Sweetie. Boy. He's a good boy. Hey, Sweetie. What do you think, Sweetie? Such a sweetheart. Such a sweetheart. Sweetie is such a baby, aren't you? Okay. Sweetie, say bye. Kisses. Kitty meow.